All right, let's bang out a real quick one. I think that this one, just looking at this one for a short second, but I think I'm very familiar with some shorthand that should make this work go fast. Given two strings A and B, return their sum as a binary string. So 11 plus 1 is 100 in binary, or 100 more specifically, because not. Well, I guess it's yeah. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure that there is a built-in integer to binary function in Python called bin binary. Would it be bind? I don't know. So we might be able to do this in one line. It'd be return string, because could I just do string bin a plus b? Would that work, or do I need to convert them to integers first? Wrong answer. Really? What? Why is it all like that? Why can't I just add them? What if I did like or? They're two strings. Oh, wait. It's because I'm. Oh, I see. I skipped a step. Yeah. Okay. Because I'm given it as a string. But you can't, there's no built in function to convert, because int converts it to a base 10. I'm going to look something up. I'm going to see if there's a function that converts, what was it? Okay. I had to Google a quick syntax question. Um, yes. You can use int with a specific base. Base 2. Did that print something out? I'm just gonna say return 1. Okay, awesome. So I'm interpreting it as an integer with base 2. It prints out 3. So maybe this is dumb, but I can't think of a faster way to do it because I don't think I can take the string and immediately interpret it as a binary number. So we'll have instead, I'll just go back to returning. We say return string of binary of int a2 plus int b2. We interpret that as binary. That gives us the in the string because it looks like it still prints it out as 3 even though it's 11. So we'll convert. So we take the two numbers in base 2 and we add them together. And then we take that as a binary string. And then why don't we just lop off the first 2 characters because it's an actual string. So we'll say from 2 on. This could be dumb. It might work. That'd be cool if it did. Give me that. It works. And it works for all of them? Oh, not well. Try again. Try again. Give me another one. Now that beats most of them. Okay, luck of the draw sort of thing. Yeah, am I crazy here? I think that works. Let's see. Did other people have a similar idea? Well, other people just they just iterated through. But, maybe I'm being a little cheeky by using these. But if it works, it works. And I learned something. I learned about how the binary string thing works. I learned that you can you can update the base with the integer function. It's kind of specific to Python, but that's a win. Awesome job.